Hey, editors! Looking for a tutorial that teaches you how to make a good-looking transparent watermark in just 2 minutes? Well then, this is your go-to tutorial. So without further ado, let's see the preview. Want this? Open Blurrr and import a green screen. You can find this green screen on Google and Pinterest. You just have to take a screenshot of the green screen and crop it. Now select text and type in your channel's name or any name you wish. Select the font. Now export the video. Now open InShot and import your video. Click on PIP and import the video you just exported from Blurrr. Click on Cutout and select Chroma. Drag the Chroma key to the green screen and drag the strength all the way to 50. Freeze the PIP and delete the non-freezed one. Adjust your font and place it wherever you want. Here's some advice: don't make the watermark too big. Keep it small. In this way, it looks better. Now click on Blend and select Overlay. Export the video, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial.